네, 여러분 키비얼드입니다. Hello, I'm 키비얼. 그래서 오늘 제 보스가 벌써 와 있네요. My boss is here. 저기 왔네요. 그래서 인터뷰 하려고 하는데 그 친구가 지금 오고 있어요. 저 친구 저기 지금 검정색 후드티 입은 친구가 오너인데 한번 물어볼게요. I'm gonna ask about this plane owner. What is the big really different with Cessna? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Could you introduce about this airplane? What is big different with Cessna? And then other some stuff like maintenance, something. How cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
About what is big difference because tail digger Cessna we don't have tail digger, so. Or your name?
Okay.
Or what's the name this airplane?
It's a Piper Super Cruiser.
Piper Super Cruiser. And then your name?
My name's Caden.
Kaden.
Yep.
Okay. I'm not filming you.
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
How cool this airplane? The performance is great.
Very good. Yeah. Yeah. It's got a brand new engine. It's got a bigger engine modification on it, so it's able to take off, climb out a lot.
Who changed it?
Who
changed your air? Oh, you
I did. Yeah.
on yourself.
Yeah.
Nice. Do you have any like certificate for AMP something?
Yep. AMP. I'm also a CFI.
Cool. Caden. His name is Caden.
Yep.
Yeah. You working here?
Yep. I work here as a mechanic full time.
Mechanic, and also you're gonna work like a CFI soon?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay.
Maybe eventually.
What can you say to your future student if you work at CFI? Just one sentence.
It's a hard one.
I'm sorry?
That's a hard one.
Horrible one? Just one sentence. Like a come to Hillsborough or come to see me, like that.
I mean, yeah, come to Hillsborough and learn how to fly. It's a great place.
From you?
From me, yeah.
Yeah, okay. They're gonna find you soon.
All right.
Perfect. 여러분 지금 굉장히 많이 왔네요. 저는 지금 학교에 왔고. Hello, I'm Kid Beard. Nice to see you again. 그래서 오늘은 free flight A to Z 할 거예요. Somebody requested me about how to free flight, so I'm gonna introduce with my boss. Okay, my boss 왔네요. Hey, my boss. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
So, you know I'm YouTuber right now.
Yeah.
So, one of my subscriber, they wanna know how to do pre-flight. Like
Okay.
what should we check, and then why do we have to check like that? Just simple question. So, always like we have to verify about Cessna 172S model, right? Because
Yes.
this airplane is 172S.
Yes.
Right? So first of all is left fuel tank and right fuel tank. We already checked, right?
Yeah,
Right.
we already
And where is the
checked.
document? And then something
Usually inside of a plane.
inside the plane.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you that.
지금 보여주고 있어요. 보여주고 있고.
Here, baggage part. You can open the door. And there's a glove box, so you can find all the document here, which is POH.
POH.
And you have to verify the serial number and the airplane.
So POH meaning like pilot operating handbook, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And then also here something like that, right?
Yeah.
Registration and then awarding certificate. All right.
Yeah.
Also, we already controller removed from the here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and then also, can you come inside, like with me? 그래서 지금 다큐멘트 이런 식으로 체크를 하고. So, where's the ignition switch?
So it's this one here.
This one.
Should be key in there.
Yeah.
So we leave it
Yeah,
keys
leave
in
key
the
in document.
dashboard.
And the avionics master switch here,
Here?
right
This one?
here. Yes. So offside and then master switch.
Master
So
switch
we
is
already
here.
on and then we already down, right?
Yep.
The flag is down. Because we need to check if flag is gonna be down or not, right?
Yeah.
So Also, we initiation check here, right? When you
Yeah.
turn on. And then we flip down and master switch like already off, right?
Yeah.
So, and then fuel selector is both. We
Yep.
verify, right? And then fuel selector also is both. And then fuel valve sometimes it's on, right? When you do.
Yeah, it says
And then-
pump is off.
Yeah, pump is off. And then this one, what's that? Alternate, right? Alternate stick source, right?
Yeah.
Here. So when something is down, we have redundancy, right?
Uh-huh.
Something like. Okay. So can you come here, like
Okay.
left fuel dry? How to check that? So this one is flap, right?
So yeah, this is flap. So
Okay.
we already lowered the flap,
Yeah.
and then watch the flap is lowered and fixed. So just kind of moving that, and then just check that it doesn't like kind of go leak here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then this one is aileron
Yep.
for something.
And, you're gonna simply just moving up and down,
Yeah.
and then see that if it's working properly or not.
All right. And then other than that, so here is we need to see about shape.
Yeah.
What's something problem, right?
Yeah, just like it could be better if you touching this one, so
Yeah.
you can feel more easily.
Okay.
So there's just like kind of touching and watching it together,
Okay.
and then see if any dent.
And then here is oil, right?
Yep.
Oil have to check, right? Oil
Just
like
take it out,
take it out.
and then see the like, oil
Oil
level here.
oil level here.
So you can
Alright,
see this
alright.
number should be here.
Yeah, almost 8. So
Yeah.
we are good. Good to go, right? And then other like rudder board here, right?
Yeah.
So rudder board this one or this one, right?
Yeah.
This one. So we are just touching.
Mhm.
It's good. And then noise gear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want to check about when you see about here front something
Just check whether bolt is coming or not.
or not. Yeah.
And then just like if any dent, just
Mhm.
like can talk to the maintenance
Mhm.
so they make sure with that.
Yeah.
And then here also you're gonna check the props as well.
Prop inch.
Yeah.
How like
Yeah. Right.
damage
Some
something,
of them,
right?
Yeah. Sometimes the prop is kind of bent like this, so you need to verify that.
Okay.
And then there is the alternator belt, so
Mhm.
you're gonna just check it.
What is that? This one
This just pipe.
pipe.
Yeah.
Like from the you just pipe. Okay. And then this one is air filter, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Air coming inside because we are getting we have something air and fuel mix and then something working.
Yeah.
Okay. So we already explained this one. You said before at P2, right?
Mhm.
P2 with airspeed indicator.
Mhm.
Okay. So about what is that? This one
This is taxiing and landing light.
landing light.
Yeah.
Okay. So but some airplane here, right?
Yeah.
Some airplane
So it depends
here.
on the model. Some of them is located here. And
What is
most-
the landing light color?
It's a white color.
White color.
Yeah.
Okay, white color. What was saying before? Mostly white here.
Sorry?
About before, like you explained to me about something, landing light in here, right?
Yeah. So like the same color.
Same color, white. It should be white, always.
Yeah,
Landing
it's
light,
white.
always.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you said before, like here, checking overboard,
Yeah. Again,
Alright.
same thing.
same thing. And same thing, same way, over checking,
Yeah.
some
we
damage,
check-
right?
Surface.
Alright.
And
What is this one?
This stove light.
Stable light. Alright. Stable light. And then this one is some kind of
Navigation light.
navigation light. So it's gonna be red and the white and
So LED, green and white.
alright, nice. And this one is same thing about aileron, left aileron. Okay. And then flaps.
as well.
Sure. And then before you said about this com signal.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you can see like a lot of bunch of the antennas over here and under there.
Understand?
So most probably that sharp speed is for the transponder.
Yeah.
But, like the reason why it's still there is like kind of used to on that white kind of bag ago.
Okay.
It's not using anymore, but they just left it because it's kind of more expensive than removing.
So I wonder, like, how do you check about landing gear? This part is landing gear, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna check the tire pressure. Just
Yeah.
like passenger
Passenger
pressure.
pressure.
And
And then.
then this just looking the tire shape
Mhm.
and looking the this is brake.
Yeah.
So if something like lead fluid coming out here, so that means it's not okay for the flight. So your
Okay.
breakage doesn't work. So you
So-
need to talk with maintenance.
Airplane, can we reverse?
No, you cannot.
We cannot. We
Yeah.
only go to front, right?
Yeah.
All right. Right. So here is kind of like tail part, like empennage, they
Mhm.
said. So here, this one is
Elevator.
elevator.
Yeah.
Elevator, this one, right? No,
Yeah, sorry,
this
you can pull
elevator,
this
and then
elevator.
this one is like horizontal stabilizer, right? They are saying. So this one is like checking about same way
Yeah.
or something damaged. And then what is that? This one,
So rudder.
rudder for
You can when you do the taxiing, you can like kind of steering. for
steering.
that.
All right, all right. And then this one is same thing. Why is there making about this part?
This
For
the
what?
trim tab.
Trim tab.
So when you're in the air, you can if you do the good trimming, your control pressure is a lot less. So
Ah, okay.
kind of
So
make us easy.
if we use this one, we can hold our airspeed, right?
Yeah, and airspeed and altitude. Pretty
Altitude
much.
points.
Yeah.
So same thing, and then this part is vertical stabilizer, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so pretty much it's gonna be same. And then also it's Cessna 172 we are displaying, but it's like Cessna 152 is gonna 80%, 90% is similar, right?
Yeah, pretty much the same, but it's kind of a little bit bigger model, and there's more clear some spot, but it's mostly same.
Alright. Okay, we are good to go, right?
Yeah.
We check everything and then fuel top up and because we check our weight and balance, alright? Alright. 체크리스트 여기 나오는 거, 체크리스트 여기 체크를 하셔서 이게 보시면 될 것 같아요. So always when you do pre-fly, you always check about this checklist. So 172S here, and then like something, everything name. If you don't know, just ask directly to your instructor, and then they're gonna explain everything. All right, and then you can find on the POH about. I show you about POH Pilot Operating Handbook for this airplane. So awesome. So boss, we are good to go, right?
Yeah. let's
Okay,
go.
perfect, good to go. 저 이제 갈게요. 네. 안녕. Bye.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect. 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 Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think